Verifying your identity on YouTube is essential for accessing certain features and ensuring the security of your account. If your verification attempt fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause verification processes to fail. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that might interfere with the verification process. This can often resolve issues related to outdated or corrupted information. Step 3. Use a different browser or device. If verification fails on your current browser, try using a different one or switch to another device. Sometimes browser settings or device configurations can hinder the verification process. Step 4. Review your account information. Double-check that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate and up to date. Ensure that your name, address, and any other required details match your official identification. Step 5. Contact YouTube support. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to YouTube support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including any error messages you received during the verification attempt. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on YouTube. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from YouTube's support team.